Hi, my name is Michelin Cesar, but you can call me Mitch. I'm 33 years of age from Philippines. My professional background includes a stint in accounting wherein I developed a keen eye for numbers and a proficiency in accounting software. This skill, combined with my experience in the government sector, conducting interviews from different households, has equipped me with strong interpersonal and problem-solving abilities. I'm a go-getter. Whatever I put my mind into, I'll make sure to achieve it. Now, I'm excited to transition into the world of freelancing. Though I'm new to this field, my past experiences have made me prepared to be a valuable asset in anything. I'm not just a VA, but a committed partner in your business. Once again, I'm Michelin Cesar, and I'm looking forward to hear from you soon. Have a good day. Goodbye.